guys, it's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another video. This is my first makeup video for 2021. I haven't done a video in a minute. I've been feeling kind of, you know, blah. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on the good vibes that I have going on over here. And I do have a lot of stuff planned and I'm excited. So if you want to see how I got this look using the Boxycharm for January, that's how late I am, because I haven't been, you know. So let's just get right into this video. I just popped this bump, which I probably shouldn't have, but this is my January Boxycharm. I don't know if it's just me or the beginning of January was just like a dummy downer type of vibes, because when the year started I was like, yeah, and I didn't feel like doing anything. I was just in a funk. I was just in a mood. I was so tired for some reason. When I came home from work, I was just sleep. I'm like, I know my ego ain't prego, so what can it be? But now that we are in February, I'm just like kind of livened up a little bit. But I got my butt out the bed and I was like, girl, you gotta film. What are you waiting for? But yeah, so this is my first video that I am filming for 2021. Happy 2021. I want to give all my condolences to everybody who has lost a loved one due to the virus or any reason. I mean, 2020 was a bad year. Hopefully this year we can move past it and be on the up and up. But congratulations to all the people who started their, you know, small businesses in 2020, figured out their goals and still was on the rise. So congratulations to you guys. And yeah, let's get into this Boxycharm. This is the box right here. First thing I see, so this is an Avant cleanser. This is basically to take off the makeup, and it dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. What? This is $90. So this, I'm gonna have to check this out after, you know, I put on my makeup. And the next thing I see is, this is a lip mask, and this is $25. Oh, it smells good. Ooh, it's like a, oh, it's clear. Let's see. It's real shiny. What is it supposed to do? To keep lips chapped free, smooth, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extract to help rid lips of slightly dead skin cells and fine lines. Ooh. Next thing I see is Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And this is, how much are you? This is $38. An oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains, it contains the same thing as Avant. I can't say the word, hyaluronic acid, and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This is exactly what I need, because I be shiny all day. Oh, I almost broke my Morphe mirror that I just brought. Child, I would have had a fit. Green. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good too, child. The next thing I see is a Violet and Voss I Love You Forever. This is the packaging. Eyeshadow Palette. How much for you? $34. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas, from creamy mattes, memorizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks, from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. That was a cute little description. It has 12 colors. And the last thing I see is a Dragon Duo. And this is, how much are you? You are Queen Studio Dragon Duo. This is $28. Modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Created for beginners, loved by pros. Okay. Okay, so this is like the crayon one. Bruh. Did it just break? The whole tip just broke. Pause. Seriously? Anyway. This is the other one. It's very black. I like this. But I'm mad the tip just broke. What the heck was that about? And it's very black as well. When I first had like a pen like this and I didn't know that you were supposed to sharpen it, child, I just threw them shits out. And then when I went to MAC, he was like, you're supposed to sharpen them. I'm like, for real? I didn't know that. Alright, so I do want to say I am going to be doing another giveaway. I have 3 Morphe X Minnie MUA palettes. I will be doing a giveaway soon. I want to do palettes plus other things. I have brought myself one too. And I like the color so far, but that will be in another video. But stay tuned for that. And yeah, so let me just put this P. Louise base on. I'm going to go into Infatuated. A nice chocolate shade, yeah. Yeah. So how has everybody been doing? Let me know down in the comment section below. I missed you guys. I miss communicating with you guys. Yeah, so I'm doing a giveaway because I'm almost reaching 1,000. It took me a while to get to 1,000 subbies. And I'm like 100 and some change away. Probably 2. Like some people, they get subbies right away. And they be popping. But me? Girl, I had to work for my subbies. I don't know how the algorithm works, but it is what it is. So the next thing I'm going to go into is Charmed, which is this other chocolate color up here. And put that on that outer. Ooh. This is a nice chocolate shade. The pigmentation is there, honey. Can't say nothing about that. And then I'm going to go into this color Wink, which is this nice nude shade. Every time they have a... I don't know why I tend to gravitate towards those colors. Anytime they have that like in a palette, I'm always like ready to grab onto that. This is turning out to be more of a burgundy look and not like an olive look. So I really wish they had like a matte green olive shade in here, but they don't. I'm just gonna go into the shade Infatuated, which is this nice brown shade right here. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go into this Lovebird and then this green shade. And then with the back of the brush, I'm gonna go into the Olive Glow. I think I like that. Then I'm gonna go into Charm and use that on the outer crease. Then I'm gonna go into Infinity, which is this color right here. I'm not sure if it's like a dark green or black, but it's like, it's giving black, but then it's looking like green. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, peace. I would like to get